Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 70 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges. So after that, let's enter the Play Store, and you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it on your own. So here we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and then go to Manage Apps and Device. Here let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending, and now it depends whether you wish to update all of them or not. So you can either tap on Update All and your device will automatically download all of them and apply the updates, or you can simply find them in this list and then tap on Update next to it, and your device will download only this specific update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.